How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Fisker, ticker symbol FSR, and this is because it just came on my radar, and it had huge news in the stock recently. The stock has gotten an aggressive upgrade by none other than Morgan Stanley. I believe a price target of $40. From $40 to $90. So this is super bullish. The stock isn't even trading at 30 with this profit target, price target indication by Morgan Stanley. I mean a huge bank saying that this can go to 90 when it's right now at 27, under 30. Can this really triple? Okay, this is very exciting news for the company, especially because if you guys did not know, Fisker was a SPAC before it's a publicly traded company. And I actually made a video on this on my second channel, but we'll take a look at it. The video is right here. So FSR used to be Spartan Energy Acquisition. I forgot what the ticker symbol was, but I actually thought Fisker could go to 35 a while ago, and that was not the case. Again, with many SPACs, you got to be very careful. It's buy the rumor, sell the fact, especially when the merger was acquired. And if we go to the history, you wouldn't be able to tell so much on Robinhood. But if we go over to Webull, thanks to Webull, that we can see the daily stock chart. If you're not on Webull, you should really check it out. 2 free stocks in the link in the description. We can see that after the merger, we had a huge dip right here. And this is something that I actually want to have for future reference, where SPACs, after they go live, after they merge, if they go under the pre-trading announcement of they're going to acquire a company, that is a huge dip buying. As you can see, it used to trade around under $10 when it was just a SPAC. No indication of who they were going to merge with. It was just $10. And after Fisker was announced and everything, this stock was dumped all the way to $8.70. Right here, I would have picked up as much shares as I could, but I did not know about this. As we know, many SPACs, after the merger gets acquired, it's kind of set it and forget it. Huge dip buying opportunity. It rallied very aggressively. You could have 140% within a couple of days, and now it's way up above at $29. Right now 27, holding very strongly, but this was due because of the upgrade by Morgan Stanley. Fisker was one of the stocks that last Friday, while we had craziness in the market, Fisker was holding up really well. Now I'm trying to see how high can Fisker go. Can it actually go to the 90 profit target? For the meanwhile, I think 40 is going to touch it very easily, no problem. One indicator that I like to use is the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this gives me like levels, indication levels of where it could go, or where I would want to, if I'm an investor, where I would maybe start putting some chips off the table and taking my original investment. And soon, as you can see, we can almost hit $40. If we can jump all the way to $40, we can probably hold it. So that would be my first profit target. If I haven't entered Fisker, I would maybe want to enter and start and taking some chips off the table around 40 if we can touch it. If it holds around this level, the next profit target would be 51 for me. And Morgan Stanley says 90, but I just want to see a little bit more price action. Again, Fisker just barely gave one earnings report. I'm guessing it wasn't that great. As you can see, that's why we had a huge dip, but there's still a lot of interest. There is one big rumor that I do want to add. I don't know if it's true. I don't know where it came from, but I heard that maybe Apple, because they're trying to do Apple Car, could be working with Fisker. That's just a really rumor out there. Again, I don't even have the article where I heard that from. I need to do more research. If I can find the article and confirm, like, yeah, Fisker and Apple, you bet the stock is gonna rally like crazy. So just something to keep on your watch list. As you know, Apple has been trying to work with Hyundai and someone else. Who have they been working, trying to partner up with? But Apple Car is apparently a real thing. Fisker is in California and Apple's in California. Maybe a coinkydink why they would probably work together. I don't. Possibly. But right now the stock's looking very healthy. This pop, I usually like to wait for it to calm down a little bit. As you can see in the previous pops, it just tends to sell off after the stock cools down. But this is kind of risky because it got a huge upgrade. Maybe it'll continue to run. So I don't want to, personally, like, I don't want to miss a chance to. If this is cheap right now, some shares, I don't know how many I would pick up. But if it was to retrace, I think a fair level, a fair price would start being at 25 for Fisker. But other than that, this is going to be a very tricky play. Simple technical analysis would say, honestly, it's just the Fibonacci's, the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, oof. This is kind of like a long-term investment play that I would want to be looking at. FSR. I haven't seen a lot of people be talking about this stock, but honestly, I think it is going to come down on a lot of people's radar, especially because of this upgrade. I know I keep repeating it, but that's the big news of the pop. So let's hope that, Fisker can hold it in there, can hold up this high price valuation. If it cools down, like I said, a nice retracement, a nice pullback would be 25. That's where I think that would be fair. Other than that, I don't have much to add other than, like, let's see price action. Let's see if it consolidates again. This was a beautiful consolidation, and then the breakout was the news of the upgrade right here. This was very nice. You like to see that in stocks before they go higher, and certainly it has. So I am a little bit late to the party too. I am late because it's already at 27. But let's see where this stock goes. Again, keep it on your watch list. I'm going to try to make a future update video seeing where the stock is going. If I think it comes down under 25, is it a buy? Probably. Again, Fisker has been making cars for a while now. Apple rumor, got to figure that I have to figure that one out properly before I confirm anything or can push forward with it. And maybe that would be a great investing opportunity for long term for sure if they're going to partner up with Apple again. Big rumor. So we'll see. All right. And that is all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. 2 free stocks with Webull. Robinhood is okay. It's all right. We see what happened. After hours, it's holding up its price valuation very fairly. But other than that, let's see how high it can go. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.